Is it up? Get a drink, Bubba. Come here. Here, get a drink. It's like, no, Daddy might.
They said he had no trick.
Yeah. Hang on, see what Daddy's got for the babies. What's it got, Stitch? I mean, he already knows. You said that. He's sitting there. Oh, Blake Blevins. The whipped cream.
Come here. Sit down.
Yeah. Shake it real good. Yeah, and turn it upside down when you do it.
Froze.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Come here, Sissy. Put it in your finger and then put it on their nose.
It's froze.
It's okay, Sissy. Sissy, what
I'll have
is
to leave it out. It's froze.
Leave it out a little bit. Sissy, what is going on? Get it. Get it, Sissy. Sissy, get it.
Hang on.
Let him smell it. Here, get it. Sissy, get it. Good boy. Oh, yes. Get it, Sissy. You scared? Yeah, get it. First time Sissy's scared of something. Wait, she's like, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, it is frozen. Damn, Stitch. God almighty.
That kid.
Woo, Stitchy boy. That butt stinks. Sissy, tell Daddy it's frozen. Is the other can? Or is that? That's not sugar-free, is it? They can't have sugar-free anyway. Is it? Yeah. Sissy, look what Daddy's got. Sit down. Oh.
See it? Okay.
Oh, you better come here, girly.
Come here. See it?
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
See it?
See it, baby.
See it.
See it. Sit
Okay.
down, Sissy.
See it?
Good sit. Sit down. She forgot.
No, she knows
See
how
it.
to do
Sit down. See it.
Grandma spray her with the whipped cream.
I
again.
know. Sit down, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that scare you, baby?
One more.
Did that whipped can scare you? Yeah, I think that's xylitol in it.
Huh?
That has the xylitol.
Just spin.
Oh,
Just jump.
jump.
Just jump.
Jump. Good boy.